Shalom everyone. Today we're making pumpkin spice pound cake. Stay tuned for the recipe. For your dry ingredients, you will need 3 cups of flour, 1 pack of pumpkin spice pudding, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, ½ teaspoon of salt, and for your pumpkin spice mix that you can add into your mixture would be 2 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 teaspoon of ginger, 1 teaspoon of allspice, and a ½ teaspoon of cloves. You will also need 2 cups of brown sugar, 1 cup of regular sugar, 3 sticks of unsalted room temperature butter, 1 package of room temperature cream cheese, 1/4 cup of pumpkin spice creamer, 5 room temperature eggs, 1 cup of pumpkin puree, and a tablespoon of pure vanilla extract. Turn your mixer speed on medium and blend your butter. Add in your granulated sugar and brown sugar. Add in your vanilla. This is how your butter and sugar should look once you've creamed it properly. Add in your block of cream cheese. Be careful not to overmix your butter and sugar because your cake can fall. Before you add in your eggs, make sure you turn down your mixer to a slower pace, probably maybe medium speed, because if you overbeat your eggs, it can cause a lot of gluten streaks in your pound cake. So you just want to add them one by one, and as soon as it's mixed in, add the next egg. So here I am scraping down the size of my bowl. You want to do this from time to time to make sure all your ingredients are properly combined. Next, I'm going to add in my pumpkin puree to my batter. Now I'm going to add in my dry ingredients. Anytime you're making a pound cake, always start with your dry ingredients and alternate with your liquids so that you don't overmix your ingredients. It should always end with the flour. I'm going to scrape down the sides of my bowls again, and sometimes you have to go underneath the paddle too. I am now going to add in my pumpkin spice creamer. So allow it to mix for another few minutes on medium speed, but don't overmix it. To be safe, you can also use a spoon or a spatula and hand mix it that way so that it doesn't overmix. Here's the pan I'm going to use. I coated it in shortening, brown sugar, and cinnamon. Give your pan a tap on the counter to settle the air bubbles and to level your batter. This part is optional, but I like doing it to smooth the top down. We're ready to put it in the oven on 325 degrees for an hour and a half to 2 hours, depending on your oven. Here is my cake. I'm going to let it cool for 10 to 15 minutes before I flip it out. Once your cake has completely cooled, you can add your glaze. I have a cream cheese glaze recipe below in the description box, or you can leave it plain. I'm going to add some ginger snaps to the top of my pound cake, as well as some crushed ginger snaps that I prepared earlier. You can put whatever topping you want, but this is what I wanted to add. I hope you enjoyed today's pumpkin spice pound cake recipe. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button below on your way out. Shalom.